Guys, is another story for you. This is about peer pressure. Now, peer pressure is when some person is pressuring you to do something, and then they say you did not do it. So let's get into the story. So basically, there were three girls named Ayakanye and Upiwe and Agaba. Ayagaba was a good girl. Her mom praised her for her good behavior, for good grades, and for her good. Uh, when someone gives her a commandment, she does it. Now her two friends said she should go and steal some stuff by the shop, and then she left. So she said, "No, I don't want to do it because my mom always said if you do bad things, you will never get far." And she was very scared. So her one friend said, "Go and do it. You're always boring. You're boring. You want to keep the favorite child. Your mom doesn't actually mean it to you." And the other one said, "Really? Because why? You're not even good to be. What about you behind the scenes?" She said, "But I don't care if I'm not the favorite child, but my mom has learned me to be a good child, not to be a bad child." And she said, "I'm not gonna listen to you guys. And you guys are bad friends. I don't think I should be friends with you." They, they both said, "We don't care. We actually don't want to be your friend. If you don't go do it, we won't be your friend." She was very scared and said, "Okay, I'm really sorry. I will go do it." So they went into this clothing shop and went in. When the person looked away, she took some clothes and ran out. Now she said, "Guys, I can't believe I did this." Now friend said, "You did this, not us. We didn't say you must do this." And she said, "But you guys said I should do it. Now I want to get in trouble." She said, "I think we should go put it back." Two friends said, "No, we're not into this. We didn't say you must do it." She said, "Oh, I don't want to be friends with you. You guys were backstabbers." Our friend said, "We don't care. Bye." So our two friends left. Now she said, talk to herself, "They are so bad friends. I wish I was never the friend." So she went back into the shop and said, "Sorry, my friend said I should steal it." The store owner said, "You must never listen to your friends. They give you peer pressure and they pressure you to do bad things. Now you see, never listen to your friends." Now the moral of the story is, don't listen to your friends. They are not good for you. If they say you should do something, don't do it because that at the end of the day it gets you in trouble. So thank you for listening.